Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith, and this is your jIS News for Friday, January 10. The Area 1 Police Division will be intensifying its operations to rid the western end of the island of criminal gangs. This follows an announcement earlier this week that the notorious Alma gang has been dismantled.
This gang was successfully dismantled when 13 members, which were most active and influential, were either arrested and charged with crimes or shot and killed during confrontations with the police.
Assistant Commissioner Warren Clark says the Alma gang was responsible for a cycle of violence, including murders, shootings, robberies, rape and extortion in the parishes of Westmoreland and Hanover. Meanwhile, the police have identified new suspects in connection with the 2012 rape of 5 females, including an 8-year-old in Irwin, St. James. The new suspects are the result of continued investigations and a probe ordered by Police Commissioner Owen Ellington after 2 brothers initially charged for the crime were last year acquitted of all charges.
A number of individuals were apprehended and they will be placed on ID parade. We are very, very confident that they will be identified by the persons who are there based on the investigations.
Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites has offered words of encouragement and sympathy to the students and staff of the Balaclava and Magotty High Schools in St. Elizabeth. The minister visited the schools early Thursday morning in the wake of the murders of Desrick Williams from Balaclava High and Ashnell Coke from Magotty High.
I want to use this occasion to say how sorry I am, but also to say to the rest of you that you need to be very careful about your own safety. You don't have to be fearful, and you certainly mustn't use fear as an excuse for not coming to school. Band with a friend. Travel together when you have to go on the street. Do whatever is necessary, but recognize that coming to school is your biggest opportunity in life.
Minister Thwaites was on a rationalization of school spaces tour in the parish. He had some good news for the Balaclava High School, announcing that it is soon to be removed from the shift system following the construction of new classrooms. Government expects to procure a human resources software system for use in the public sector by the end of May 2014. Among other things, the software system will help to improve the financial oversight of public agencies and bodies. This supports government's medium-term macroeconomic target of reducing public sector salaries to 9% of GDP by financial year 2015-2016. Plans to procure the human resources software system was contained in a ministry paper on Jamaica's second quarterly review of the extended fund facility with the International Monetary Fund, IMF. The document was tabled in the House of Representatives in December by Finance Minister Dr. Peter Phillips and reiterates government's commitment to improving the efficiency, quality and cost-effectiveness of the public sector. Building greater public awareness and understanding of the Jamaica Logistics Hub initiative. That's the main objective of a symposium planned for Jamaican companies and investors. It's scheduled for January 21 and 22 at the Jamaica Conference Center. The theme is Transforming Jamaica's Business Landscape.
Small businesses are a critical aspect of a logistics business in any part of the world. We must ensure, therefore, that our MSME entrepreneurs are included in the economic zones and that they become an integral part of the global value chain.
The symposium was launched Wednesday at JAMPRO's offices in St. Andrew. And finally, the public is being reminded that entries for the Logistics Hub essay competition should be submitted by January 17. The deadline was extended from the initial December date to next week Friday at 2 p.m. The theme for the essay competition is Jamaica's Global Logistics Hub, the big opportunity for Jamaica and the world. The competition is open to Jamaicans who fit in one of 2 entry categories, 15 to 21-year-olds and 22 to 35-year-olds. The first prize in each category is an all-expenses-paid trip to Panama and other incentives. Second prize in each category is $50,000, while third place comes with a $25,000 prize. For more information, visit the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce or call 754-3658. And that's it for jIS News today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.